Hi, I'm Sheila, and today I'm going to show you how to import your data using the Caplena platform. After you've logged in, simply head over to the right-hand side and click Import Data. Here you can either directly input your data line by line, you can upload a file, or what we're going to use today is the integrations option where you can import your data from third-party websites. And today we're going to use the Google Play Store. When you've done that, you can simply copy and paste the respective URL and then hit Load Sample. So this might take a couple of minutes as we scrape all the data in the background. And when that's all loaded and ready, we can go over to the Continue to Organize step on the bottom right-hand side and click that. In the Organizing Your Data step, you can select the open-ended columns to be analyzed and define their name and wording over here. However, what's important to note is that for reviews, everything is pre-selected, so you don't actually have to do anything. So that's why I'm gonna just leave it as it is and go over to the Continue to Settings step, which is the last step. Here you can give your project a name. You can add tags. And you can choose what you would like the language of your verbatim responses to be in. So for me, I would like them to be in English. If you shall need a translation for those, then you have the option to use the two translation services, Google Translate or DeepL. However, since I don't need translation for today, since everything is already in English, I'm just gonna leave it as it is and not use that option. Lastly, you can choose how often you would like your data to synchronize. So I would like my data to synchronize weekly. So once that is all filled out and ready, you can just hit Save. And now the import has started and you will be notified by email once it is done.